Here's the hard truth. Most riders are spending way too much on motorcycles that don't actually fit their needs. They're chasing showroom shine and Instagram likes, when what really matters is comfort, dependability, and a ride you actually enjoy. That's where senior riders have the edge. They know flashy isn't always better, and sometimes the most affordable, overlooked bikes are the ones that deliver the smoothest rides, the easiest handling, and the least pain in your back or your wallet. In this countdown, we're looking at 14 motorcycles that won't drain your savings, but will keep you riding in comfort and confidence. Some are brand new bargains, some are used gems you can pick up for a few $1,000s, and every single one proves you don't need to spend a fortune to love the ride. Let's start with a surprise, because the best deals rarely sit in the spotlight. Number 14. Kawasaki Vulcan S. If you've ever wished for a cruiser that actually fits you, the Kawasaki Vulcan S is the answer. Unlike most bikes in this class, it was designed with adjustability in mind, thanks to Kawasaki's ErgoFit system. That means you can move the seat, bars, and pegs to suit your body, whether you've got long legs, short arms, or just want a more relaxed setup. For seniors, that's a game changer. Power comes from a 649cc parallel twin. Smooth, predictable, and friendly enough for beginners while still strong enough to cruise highways with confidence. At 500 pounds wet, it's not a featherweight, but it carries its weight low, so it feels balanced in traffic or parking lots. The 27.8-inch seat height makes flat footing easy, and the riding posture is upright without being cramped. It's not dripping in chrome, and it doesn't pretend to be a big Harley. But that's the beauty of it. The Vulcan S is practical, comfortable, and customizable, making it one of the smartest cruiser buys for budget-conscious riders. Number 13. Harley-Davidson Street 500 and 750. Not every Harley has to be a heavyweight beast. The Street 500 and Street 750 were built for riders who love the Harley name but don't want the bulk or price tag that comes with it. For seniors, that makes these models a hidden gem in the used market. Both bikes share the same platform, a liquid-cooled Revolution XV twin engine that's smooth, mellow, and beginner-friendly. The 500cc version is great for city rides and light cruising, while the 750 has just enough extra grunt to handle longer stretches of highway without breaking a sweat. The low seat height, just over 25 inches, means almost anyone can flat-foot at a stop, and at roughly 490 pounds wet, the street models are far less intimidating than their big brothers. Styling is stripped down and modern, making them easy to customize if you want to put your own spin on it. They're discontinued now, but clean used examples are plentiful and affordable, often well under $5,000. For riders who want the Harley badge without the Harley headache, the Street 500 and 750 are worth a serious look. If you're enjoying this list so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more budget-friendly bikes coming, and you won't want to miss the one still ahead. Number 12. Yamaha SR400. Sometimes the simplest bikes end up being the most satisfying, and the Yamaha SR400 proves it. First launched in the late 70s and kept alive with only minor changes, this is a motorcycle that stayed true to its roots. Lightweight, reliable, and refreshingly easy to live with. Power comes from a 339cc air-cooled single-cylinder, fuel-injected in later years, making about 27 horsepower. On paper, that's modest, but in the real world, it's plenty for commuting, backroad exploring, or casual weekend rides. At 384 pounds wet with a 30.9-inch seat height, it's approachable for riders of all sizes and ages. Maintenance is about as easy as it gets. No complicated electronics, just a straightforward thumper that's happy to run for decades with regular oil changes. It even keeps a Kickstarter for old-school charm, though newer models include electric start. Used SR400s are abundant and affordable, often selling in the $3,000 to $4,500 range. For seniors who want something light, no nonsense, and timeless, the SR400 is a classic that never gets old. Number 11. Suzuki GS500E and GS500F. If there were a Hall of Fame for practical motorcycles, the Suzuki GS500 would be in it. Built from the late 80s into the 2000s, This bike earned a reputation as one of the most dependable and affordable mid-size standards on the market. The GS500E was the naked version, while the GS500F added a small fairing, but underneath both is the same 487cc air and oiled-cooled parallel twin. It makes around 47 horsepower, plenty for daily riding or highway speeds, but not so much that it feels twitchy or intimidating. Weighing about 415 pounds wet with a 31-inch seat height, it strikes a sweet balance. Light enough for city riding, stable enough for longer commutes. Maintenance is simple and cheap. Parts are everywhere, and insurance rates are some of the lowest you'll find. The best part? Used GS500s are bargains, often between $2,000 and $3,500 for clean examples. For seniors who want upright ergonomics, lightweight, and rock-solid reliability on a budget, the GS500 is one of the most underrated choices out there. Number 10. Royal Enfield Classic 350. If you've ever wanted a bike that looks straight out of the 1950s but rides with modern reliability, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 nails it. It blends timeless styling with approachable performance, making it one of the most senior-friendly motorcycles on the market today. Power comes from a 349cc single-cylinder engine that produces about 20 horsepower. On paper, that's not much, but it's tuned for torque at low RPMs, which means smooth, predictable power delivery, perfect for relaxed cruising around town or along scenic backroads. The Classic 350 tips the scale at around 430 pounds, carries its weight low, and pairs that with a 31.7-inch seat height, giving most riders stable footing and easy control. Ergonomics are upright and comfortable, with wide bars and a soft saddle design for all-day ease. Brand new models start under $5,000, and even lightly used ones rarely go higher than $4,000. If you're after charm, affordability, and stress-free riding, the Classic 350 is proof that old school doesn't have to mean outdated. Number 9. Honda CB500X. Adventure bikes are often tall, heavy, and overloaded with tech, but the Honda CB500X keeps things simple, affordable, and surprisingly senior-friendly. It's one of those bikes that feels bigger than it is, without the weight and complexity that usually come with the adventure class. At its core is a 471cc parallel twin that produces about 47 horsepower. Smooth, reliable, and easy to manage, it's strong enough for highway travel but still forgiving for newer or returning riders. The CB500X weighs around 430 pounds wet, and the 31.9-inch seat is narrow enough that many riders can flatfoot at stops. Ergonomics are upright and relaxed, perfect for long rides without stressing your back or wrists. New models retail for around $7,300, but the real bargains are used. Clean, low-mileage examples are often available between $4,500 and $5,500. That's a steal for a bike that blends comfort, fuel efficiency, and all-around versatility. For seniors who want adventure bike style without the bulk, the CB500X is hard to beat. Number 8. Kawasaki Eliminator 500. Sometimes the newest bikes on the market end up being the most senior-friendly, and the Kawasaki Eliminator 500 is a great example. Released as a modern lightweight cruiser, it combines approachable power with an easygoing design that makes riding simple and fun. Power comes from a 451cc parallel twin, tuned for smooth torque across the rev range. It's not about blistering speed, it's about usable, everyday performance that feels steady whether you're rolling through town or cruising at 65 on the highway. At just over 385 pounds wet, it's light for a cruiser, and with a 28.9-inch seat height, it's easy to flatfoot for confidence at every stop. The ergonomics are upright and neutral. The clutch pull is light, and ABS is standard, so you get modern safety without extra complication. New models retail around $6,500, but lightly used ones are already appearing closer to $5,500. For riders who want a modern cruiser that won't break the bank, the Eliminator 500 is a smart pick. Quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's a great time. We've still got some underrated classics ahead, and trust me, You don't want to miss what's coming next. Number 7. Honda CTX 700N. Some bikes try to impress with flashy styling or complicated tech, but the Honda CTX 700N takes the opposite approach. It's all about practicality and comfort. For seniors, that's exactly what makes it shine. Power comes from a 670cc parallel twin that delivers smooth, mellow performance. It's not built for racing, but it's perfect for everyday riding and longer trips where predictability matters more than raw horsepower. One standout feature is the optional dual-clutch transmission, DCT, which lets you ride without a clutch lever or foot shifter. Just twist and go, an incredible perk for riders who want less strain on their wrists or knees. The seat sits at a friendly 28.3 inches. The ergonomics are relaxed, and the bike's 500-pound weight is balanced well enough that it never feels cumbersome. Fuel economy is excellent too, with many owners reporting over 60 miles per gallon. Used models are often found in the $3,500 to $5,000 range. For riders who want simplicity, comfort, and a low-stress ride, the CTX 700N delivers in spades. Number 6. Suzuki Savage LS650. If you want a cruiser that's light, simple, and built to last, the Suzuki Savage LS650, later called the Boulevard S40, is a gem seniors have trusted for decades. At its heart is a 652cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine. It's thumpy, torquey, and easygoing, with just enough power to cruise at 65 miles per hour without stress. Weighing only about 380 pounds wet, this bike is one of the lightest mid-size cruisers around, making it extremely manageable for everyday riding. The seat height is a low 27 inches, which means flat-foot confidence for nearly every rider. What sets the Savage apart is its no-nonsense design. There's no tech overload, no ride modes, just a reliable carbureted thumper that's easy to maintain in your own garage. New, the last model sold for around $5,800, but clean used examples often go for $3,000 to $4,000. Affordable, approachable, and comfortable, the Savage LS650 proves simple is often best. Number 5. Honda Shadow Aero 750. When it comes to value and comfort, few cruisers deliver like the Honda Shadow Aero 750. It's been a favorite for years thanks to its low seat, smooth ride, and Honda's trademark reliability. Under the tank is a 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin that makes around 45 horsepower. It's not about speed, it's about relaxed torque that makes everyday riding easy. At just over 500 pounds wet with a seat height of 26.8 inches, the Aero feels stable but approachable, even for shorter riders or those with knee trouble. The wide saddle and swept-back handlebars encourage an upright, stress-free posture, while the shaft drive means you'll spend more time riding and less time on maintenance. Brand new, the Aero hovers around $7,800, but you can find excellent used examples between $3,000 and $4,000. For seniors wanting a reliable mid-size cruiser with classic style, the Shadow Aero 750 is a can't-miss bargain. Number 4. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 proves you don't need big power or a big budget to enjoy motorcycling. It's a lightweight, approachable cruiser that's perfect for seniors who want easy handling and stress-free rides. Power comes from a 349cc single-cylinder engine making about 20 horsepower. Modest on paper, but tuned for smooth low-end torque, which makes city rides and backroad cruising relaxed and confidence-inspiring. At 421 pounds wet with a 29.7-inch seat height, the Meteor feels stable yet manageable, even for riders getting back into the saddle. Comfort is a highlight. Upright bars, forward pegs, and a wide-cushioned seat encourage all-day riding. The simple dash includes Enfield's Tripper navigation pod, a neat touch for turn-by-turn directions without overwhelming tech. Brand new, the Meteor starts around $4,700, while clean used examples are often under $4,000. For seniors wanting a stylish, easy cruiser that won't strain the body or the wallet, the Meteor 350 delivers. Number 3. Suzuki Boulevard C50. If you want a classic cruiser feel without a premium price tag, the Suzuki Boulevard C50 deserves attention. It's one of those underrated mid-size cruisers that combines comfort, reliability, and easy ownership. Powered by an 805cc liquid-cooled V-twin, the C50 delivers smooth, steady torque that's perfect for relaxed cruising. At around 634 pounds wet, it sounds heavy on paper, but with its low 27.6-inch seat height and balanced chassis, it feels manageable at stops and stable on the highway. A big perk is the shaft drive. No chain cleaning or belt adjustments, just smooth low-maintenance riding. Add in wide floorboards, a plush seat, and a classic cruiser styling, and you've got a bike designed for all-day comfort. New, the C50 sells around $8,600, but used models are plentiful, often found between $3,500 and $4,500. For seniors who want reliability and cruiser comfort without overspending, the Boulevard C50 is a smart pick. Number 2. Yamaha V-Star 650 Custom. Some bikes quietly earn a reputation for being nearly bulletproof, and the Yamaha V-Star 650 Custom is one of them. Built for simplicity and comfort, it's a senior-friendly cruiser that feels much bigger than its price tag suggests. The 649cc air-cooled V-twin makes about 40 horsepower, enough for steady highway cruising but mellow enough for relaxed city rides. At 582 pounds wet, it's not feather light, but the low 27.4-inch seat height makes it easy to flatfoot, keeping the bike confidence-inspiring at stops. What really sets the V-Star apart is its shaft drive and straightforward design. Maintenance is minimal and reliability legendary. The ride is smooth, with a comfortable saddle, wide bars, and suspension that absorbs bumps better than expected in this class. Though discontinued, clean used models are everywhere, often between $3,000 and $4,000. For seniors looking for a cruiser that's affordable, dependable, and timeless, the V-Star 650 Custom is a solid choice. Number 1. Honda Rebel 500. Bikes are as universally approachable as the Honda Rebel 500, and that's why it earns the top spot. It's light, low, and incredibly easy to ride, making it a favorite among senior riders and beginners alike. At its core is a 471cc parallel twin producing about 45 horsepower. Smooth, forgiving, and fuel efficient. It's the kind of engine that inspires confidence without overwhelming the rider. Weighing just over 415 pounds wet with a 27.2-inch seat height, the Rebel is one of the easiest cruisers to handle at low speeds or in tight spaces. Comfort is another strong point. The neutral riding position, mid-mounted pegs, and wide bars keep you relaxed on long rides. And it looks like a custom bobber without the maintenance headaches. The new Rebel 500 runs around $6,500, but used models can be found for $3,500 to $4,500. Affordable, stylish, and dependable. It's everything a senior-friendly motorcycle should be. And that wraps up our list of 14 affordable motorcycles that seniors love. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And while you're here, click the video on your screen now. We've got even more bikes lined up that you'll want to check out.